What is Grace doing, Hattie Beans? What is Grace doing? Grace? Grace? Hi, Grace. Hi, Grace. What do y'all have? Y'all have a kitchen rag? Why are we doing this? We don't need that. Oh my goodness, you gonna get your mommy? Are you gonna get your mommy? Are you gonna get your mommy? Can I have your... Oh my goodness, you were gonna grab the phone, Hudson. Oh, goodness gracious. They are so fierce. They are. They're little baby hunters. Little baby predators. Oh my goodness, yeah, they're practicing their stalking. Their stalking techniques. Hi, Hudson. Whoa. What about Heather? What about Heather? Yeah, are you gonna get Heather? What about Heather? Ouch! Ouch, we're stuck. Well, Hudson did it. He killed the shoelace. He killed the shoelaces. Oh, Hattie Beans. Hattie Beans. Mommy loves you. Hi, Hudson News Store. Mwah. 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 Okay, let's put it in there. Oh, you don't want to? You want to get it out of the toy box? You gonna get it out of the toy box? What else is in here? Costumes. Costumes. Jingly balls. A shark. A raccoon. What else is in here? Oh my goodness, a baby rattle. There's Grace. Everybody loves the toy box. Oh, look, it's a head massager and a silly leash. We have a leash in here. We have Mardi Gras beads. Whoa. Happy New Year headband. That's coming up. Yeah, that's coming up, honey. That one's coming up. Oh, that's another collar. I see. Yeah, because everybody takes their necklaces off. Everybody takes their necklaces off. There's Heather. Ooh, look at this one. Let's watch this one. I love my family. I love my family.